Welcome to Section 9, Course Project. In this video, we will get an overview of the course project. Here's the scenario. We, the DevOps team, are working with a new development team on a project named Kraken. After several meetings where we introduce the DevOps philosophy and an overview of what DevOps is and what it can do, they are on board. The dev team is excited about working with us and wants to take advantage of all of the technology and methodologies that DevOps can provide to make them more efficient. We have come to an agreement that they will release by feature, so they will use QueryFlow in its purest form, and will be able to release multiple times per day. This means that proper testing, peer review, and Git workflow enforcement is paramount. The project consists of a single-page app, an API, and a Postgres database. The single-page app, or SPA, will be served by Nginx, and it will be able to connect to the API for requests on a public IP. The API is written in Go and will use the Postgres database to store client and application data. Over the course of the remaining videos, we will build out the pipeline for this new application stack, Dockerize the applications, provide infrastructure to support the application, deploy to Kubernetes, and set up monitoring. We have a lot of work to do, so let's get started.